Hi, this is the homework for this week that you will do on the days when you are not coming to school. On page 2, since we are learning about Greeks and democracy, I want you to log on to Raz Kids with this link, and you will click on Kids Login, and there you will go to My Assignment, the bottom submarine, and you will read at least 2 books about the ancient Greeks. I assigned you some, but not all, of these books. So pick 2 and read them and listen to them. And then on this page, page 3, you're going to write the name of the book that you read, what it is about, what part you liked, what part you did not like, and would you tell a friend to read this book? Would you recommend it? And then you will do this for the second book. Now, on page 4, you will listen to my beautiful voice here. Click on the play, it's a Vocaroo. And I'm going to read this. Now, over here, I have questions. Who had power and freedom in the earliest governments? And if you look over here, it said the people had little or no real freedom. So you could write that here. The people had little or no real freedom. And as you read on, maybe you will figure out who did have power and freedom. How were the first governments organized? Again, the government was organized. Look for these yellow lines. The government was organized, and then what is underlined is the answer to that question, to benefit the wealth and power of a very few people. Who were the rulers? Most of these rulers were monarchs. So you're always using the questions to look for those words to find the answers. At the end, this answer is not in here. You have to say, do you think monarchs, kings and queens, are good rulers? Why or why not? Page 5, very similar, just with a different reading. You're going to listen to my beautiful voice right here with this Vocaroo below it. And then you will read the question, what is a democracy? And then look over here for what is underlined. That will help you look for the answers to write the answers here. On page 6, here it says the United States is a democracy. Citizens vote for people who make decisions in the government. What is the government in another country you know? So maybe you know about Tanzania or Cuba or Congo or Turkey or Pakistan or Saudi Arabia or Iraq. Whatever country you know about, you can write, is it a democracy or is it a different kind of government? Here, you're going to add images of different types of government and people. On page 7, we're going to use the Venn diagram again. Here you want to put things about the monarchy. So I'll give you a clue. Monarchy has to do with kings and queens. A democracy is who we vote for. So America voted that Joe Biden would be the next president. And if it's something that's true for both of them, like people, all governments have people in them, then you would put it there in both. Finally, on page 8, you're going to put a check, an X here if you did it, and a question mark if you need help. So hopefully that will help you go over this. Please do this work, or you can come to my office hours to get help when you're not in school. This week when you're in school, you're going to be really tired. So when you get home, just crash. Bye. So excited to see you.